Hey, what's up everybody? Tobin and Shanna here from 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today, we are at the flea market. Let's go find some deals. So one of our main objectives for the flea market is to add to our chicken flock. Mom wants some more chickens, but you never know what we're gonna come home with. We might come home with a goat. No, we ain't coming home with no goat. But we might come home with
oh my gosh,
any array of things.
Look at the goat, Sarah.
I'm a sucker for wheeling and dealing, so I see a bunch of chickens over there.
There's chicken feeders and waters.
There's chickens. I see some guineas over there. We got some goats over here.
No, I agree.
What kind of cows those are? They look like little Corrientes, but I don't know. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
It'd be cool to own cows.
Oh, Sarah, did you see these?
Oh my gosh.
Look at them. Hello, guys.
Hi. Oh my gosh.
That looks like Fanatic's goat, Steven. Where is it? Pickle Boots.
Pickle Boots is, Fanatic's sisters. Pickle This one. I'm gonna name him Steve.
Found more chickens.
Are you planning to buy anything?
Yeah, we're gonna buy some chickens for sure. Just don't know what yet. I didn't know there was another person who was selling them. This guy over here we bought from before. Over there in front of us, we bought chickens from him a while back, several years ago actually.
Are these doves? Are these doves? I want to get one of these.
What do you think?
I like these. These are healthy looking.
This is a guy we bought from him.
These are all the
Hello. Oh,
Yeah.
Sarah, look, that's
Those are Americanos, aren't they?
they did not pass Sarah. I want this one. There's a horn. Reed, grab it.
I got it recorded.
You better grab it.
She got it. She's a chicken girl.
I got it.
All right, take it over and then come back and know.
It's alright. You can do it.
Reed, pick one.
I'm gonna grab that big one. Wait, where? Which one should I get?
You pick one, buddy. When you go pick it, you're going to grab it. There you go. Grab by the feet. Grab by the feet. There you go.
Yeah.
Yep. Take her over. You like that one? That's a little one.
I know. I was trying to see what she looked like.
That's a good one. That's a good one. One more.
I think this one right here.
Right there. Grab her feet and pull her tail feathers out. Here. Grab her.
Yeah.
He's like such a little. Oh, those. They look good.
And I was like, you pecked me.
What happened, Reed?
Pecked me. Hurt.
Sarah Mathis. What do you think?
Yes.
How many did we get?
7.
Okay, or 4.
Oh, sorry, I'm dyslexic. I needed the boomerang. It got me right here with that skin, how it peels off.
I'm proud of you. Didn't. I was thinking, golly, when we check.
All right, girls, we'll be back.
Did I pick the right
All right, guys. Well, mission accomplished. We got our chickens. So
Mom, look at the 2 ones I
we're gonna go.
picked. That one?
Now we're gonna look for some other deals. It's a pretty good deal. We got them for $15 a piece. If we buy them from like D&L or Tractor Supply by our house or what?
25.
Yeah.
So
Well,
got 4 of them.
we bought chickens from the same guy in the past. We've had the same one for like 3 years.
I think we bought chickens from this guy 2 different times.
Yeah.
About 5 or 6 years ago, and then about 2 or 3 years ago.
They're really healthy, and he takes good care of them. So.
Yeah. Let's go find some more deals.
Let's go.
I've gotten a lot of minnows out of a bucket like that before. Yep.
Right there, 25 cents. That's where the quarter.
Is that one?
One to her, and I was like, I don't know if it's gonna be good if I take them home.
Mom's worried that they're gonna run out of fried pies before we get there.
I'm telling you, they're so good.
Sarah, that was
For
a
real,
freaky baby
they're
that-
so
oh my
good.
gosh, look at that. So I don't.
We've reached pinnacle. Babe,
We're back.
this is what it's all about.
Whole reason we came to Bowie.
It's comes back. It's like
People
ice.
too.
Straight up ice. I just scraped the top off. I didn't know. When we were walking.
I think you got 5 over there.
Okay. Simon, I need another pecan. Right, 6 pecan, lemon and chocolate.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Be $24.
And it doesn't slow down. So you can't come on top. Yes, sir, you can, yeah. Is it the large or the small?
That's the small. So, just to prove that everything is negotiable, no matter what age you are. Probably have even better the younger you are, actually. But show them what you got, Ree.
I got this airsoft gun. It was originally $10, but I talked the lady down for $5, and she gave me 100 pack of BBs in here.
For free. Look at that. So he got it for half price plus BBs for it. So that's what going to the flea market's all about right there, is getting some deals. We're gonna find some more stuff soon.
Yep.
So,
Mom bought
Sarah
some.
bought this shirt.
I like it.
And then I bought,
I like it. How much?
it was 3 for $20.
That's not bad.
And then this one has to be my favorite.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Oh, it's got a back too? Oh, that's a back. Okay. Yeah, Ree just bought him a Yeti cup for 20 bucks. Pretty good deal.
We're usually 50 at
Well,
Academy.
Yeah, they're more than that at Academy. This one's powder coated and everything. So, taking our chickens to the truck.
They're gonna be called trucks. Sarah catch.
Sarah whipped out. She whipped out. Switch them on.
Ready.
Goes far up in there.
Oh, you got
Alright guys, we got our new chickens loaded up.
We need to cut this water ball.
Hopefully I don't get too wind blown back there.
They'll lay down, I'm sure.
Yeah, they should be alright. Sarah, what was your favorite thing you got today?
Probably the straw right here. I really like it a lot.
Reed,
It's
what
a
was your
very
favorite
lovely
thing?
color. Can I show them?
Yeah.
I got a baton, or whatever it's called. What is it called?
It's a baton. It's a collapsible. Remember, don't do it where you're going to hit somebody with it. It's pretty rad. Sarah got one too, and that's her favorite thing. She's telling you right now. Boom.
Mess with me.
Yeah. You mess with us, you're going to get the baton.
Or
Mom got this shirt. for Mimi.
Baseball.
Baseball. Mimi's gonna love it.
She's gonna love it.
Yep. So, guys, thank y'all for watching. Leave in the comments what y'all like to get at the flea market. Mom got several shirts. I got a battery for my drill. Some CBD oil that I'm wanting to try out and help me sleep. I don't know. I took some earlier. I kind of feel like kind of chill a little bit. Kids got some batons.
That they're not allowed to use on each other.
What else? And then our chickens, obviously. So,
Yeah.
What kind of chickens do you say they were?
There are red heritage or something like that.
yeah.
Like
some kind of cross, but
Yeah.
they're cool. So,
healthy.
yep. Y'all hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all again.